Welcome to the internship program. I am Shubham Gupta from NextGen AI Frameworks Pvt Limited. I have 14 years of work experience in the fields of artificial intelligence, software development, and robotics. In this video, I will continue creating speech to text project. So in context of machine learning and natural language processing, a pipeline is the predefined workflow that processes data, in our case it is audio, through several stages to achieve a desired output. So it will run multiple times and do multiple things in background, and then you will be able to get this final output. And library installation was complete. Now if I run this, let's see, you will get one error for the numpy. See this error, it is giving error for this numpy. Today only I have seen this error. So the fix is, what I did is just uninstalled the numpy version, latest numpy version. It will take some time to crash. I'm not crashing it. I can crash it, but I'm not crashing it right now so that you can see the problem and how to solve it. So it has converted it to audio file here, and after that things just crashed, and the error is numpy is not available. So it is not able to run the numpy. Why? It is also giving this prompt or say warning because numpy version mismatch. So what I will do is uninstall numpy. Yes. Second one is numpy less than 2. So this is the fix. What I will do is now audio.wav file delete and srt delete. Now we have the basic project with us. I will run it, and now it will work correctly or smoothly. So meanwhile, let's see other things. So what are the components of this pipeline? ASR pipeline, automatic speech recognition pipeline, audio input. First step in the pipeline is to give the input audio. It can come from these also sources: video file, podcast, real-time recording, other speech containing media. And you have to pass the speech model. This model is trained on large data set for speech and text pairs, and its task is to convert the audio input into textual output. What it will do is model process the audio feature, identify patterns that represent speech sounds, generate textual representation based on these sounds. Models available are OpenAI, and these models are also available. Wave 2, Vector, Deep Search, and many other models are available, but the model I am using is OpenAI. And I have tried the large model also on my computer. It just crashed because it requires more memory and GPU, so it crashed. So on your computer, remember to run the small model, Whisper Small. So what will happen if you use small and large model? So difference is the perfection. So it will contain more vocabulary. Large model will contain more vocabulary. So better will be the subtitles. Okay. So what will happen after text generation? Post processing. Additional steps may be applied to improve the readability and accuracy of the transcription. So I already have shown you the numbers being used, the punctuation marks being used, and this if it is changing the sentence, then it is capitalizing the first letter So all these things are post processing, and it is already included in this model. And the final output, you already know, the plain text and in the format of SRT like this. So this model will not give you SRT. Remember, this model will not give you SRT output. This is what I have written in the code. Because of this code, it is giving in the format SRT. So you can create your own format, for example in VTT, which is also popular format in form of subtitle. So what is happening is we are getting the chunks in result chunks, and when you enumerate it in these two variables, you can what I can do is just print this so that you will understand what we are getting and what the final output is. So this is what model will return. This is what model will return. Now we will see in the terminal. I can just run this, and also I can try printing the result chunks. So this will be the model output. Okay, so meanwhile I can show you whisper large available in Hugging Face. So look for the files here. Model.savetensor 6.17 GB, PyTorch model 6.17 GB, TF model 6.17 GB. So this model will be huge as compared to small one. Yeah, more things. So what I am using is small here. So the parameters available are 244 million. I can do subtitle conversion in English only, and then it is saying that I can also do multilingual. Then if you see large version 2, this one parameters, so this is the reason you will get the perfect output from these models, because they have more parameters available. And this one will be again multilingual, and it do not go beyond small. The output will be, you know, useless. Don't go less than small, use at least small. It will run on your computer, not an issue. They have also given the sample code, but using this sample code you won't be able to generate SRT directly, because I have included it in my code. Let's see what model is giving. Let's just see the last one. So it is giving timestamp in this format. See, timestamp in this format and text in this format. See, this is in the format of tuple. So there are multiple chunks available here, so multiple timestamps like this. And but if you, so here we have this, but if you see in SRT we have this format. Why this is happening? Because I have included this code. This code is what this code is doing, converting it to SRT format. What I is doing is, you know, changing this 1 2 3 4 numbers here. Start time formatted this arrow here, and then end time, it is converting it like this, seconds to SRT time. If you see or look at this function, what it will do is do the conversion like this. So after the conversion, what we are getting is this final output. what strip will do is remove left and right extra spacing. So if you look here, it is having this extra spacing, but in the final file we won't be having any extra space because we are using this strip here. So with the file open, we can store the output in the file, and what this backslash n and backslash n will do is, this is one line spacing, backslash n is one line spacing, double backslash n is two line spacing. This is what it will do in file. So this is one line spacing, this is two line spacing, and then the text. This is how it is working. So these are just the conversions that we are doing. So video to audio, then comes the time conversion. The time model is giving, and then we can run this function to convert the time to our SRT format, and it will run just fine with the final video or audio file that you want to transcribe. So using this, you can also convert the full lecture that someone is giving or movies to text, so that you can create some book on it, or you can create notes from it. So you can use this project to do this, and this will be unlimited. If you even turn off the internet, this model will work. So this is truly unlimited solution to convert. This video marks the completion of speech to text project. I will see you in next session. Have a nice day.